Burst pipes, leaking water heaters, and clogged fixtures don't wait for a convenient time. They show up fast and when you least expect it. But don't worry, Mattioni Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling has your back. In a plumbing emergency, it's important to know exactly what to do to minimize the damage to your home. So first, stay calm and have a plan. Always know where your main water shutoff valve is, as well as the shutoffs for all of your fixtures. If you are experiencing a leak or clog, turn off the water to stop the issue from getting worse. Then, call us at Mattioni, where you will speak to a customer service representative right away. We will get you on our schedule for the same day to get your emergency resolved as quickly as possible and get your plumbing system running again. If it is safe, do your best to begin to move your belongings away from the leak and clean up any standing water that is leaked in your home while you wait for us to arrive. This will help to prevent further damage or growth of mold or mildew. Also, it's a good practice to take photos of any damage that occurs for insurance purposes. If you're experiencing a plumbing emergency, don't wait. Call the number on this page now. And if you're not in an emergency now, save our info for when you need it most. At Mattioni, we're here to make emergencies feel a little less overwhelming and a whole lot more manageable.